Since 2009, Exel Global School has been dedicated to providing quality education and fostering holistic development in students. This year marks our Crystal Jubilee, a celebration of 15 years of commitment to academic excellence and well-being. We are proud of our achievement and are excited to continue building a bright future for our school community. Academic excellence. Exel Global School is honored to receive the highest achievement award worldwide, the prestigious Cambridge Outstanding Learners Award for Tamil for the A-level. Gayatri RG's dedication, hard work, and pursuit of excellence earned her global acclaim and immense pride for our school. Her academic achievement in Tamil at A-levels set a new benchmark for academic excellence. Ms. Jiva, Gayatri's subject teacher, guided her journey, and Gayatri will attend the award ceremony in Mumbai on January 25th of 2025. The students of IGCSE at Exel Global School have achieved remarkable success in their board exams, passing with flying colors and achieving an impressive 100% result. The top performers are Anjana Varsha, Alina Joel, Devakar, Amir Hamid, Ritisha, Aryan, Joanne Elizabeth, Jashan, and Hanita. Harish of IGCSE got 100 for Tamil, a perfect score. The top A's and A-level performers are Aiden Ryan, Kevin Sam, Nakshatra, Gayatri RG, and Jabba. This remarkable accomplishment is a shining example of the dedication of our students who have been empowered by the steady guidance, motivation, and backing of our highly committed teachers. The Rotary competitions. We are delighted to report the outstanding achievements of our students in the competitions organized by the Rotary Club, Nagarkoil. Our students competed in diverse categories and secured top honors reflecting their hard work and excellence. The Spellbee Level 1 competition was held for students in September 2024. It included an orientation session to prepare them and a test to show off their skills. Students from different grades participated and many received medals and certificates for doing well. A team of AS level students comprising of Amir, Devakar, Jishan and Sadio won the first prize and 7,000 rupees for their project that used deep learning for plant disease detection and aquaponics gardening as part of a science expo in July of 2024. The Young Scientist Award. 5 students enrolled with Kumari Arivial Peravai on July 8 of 2023, showcasing exceptional skills in science. After intense training, 4 students, Anbusalin, Avantika, Fial, and Jan David became Young Scientists on the 18th of March 2024. This accomplishment showcases their talent, bringing pride to the institution and inspiring others. Individual achievements. Azra from A-level has won the first place in the state-level deadlift competition, lifting an impressive 110 kilograms. We are proud of Azra's determination and our focus on physical well-being. We are proud to announce that Dia Dalwin secured the first position in the under-9 category at the Open Badminton Championship in Coimbatore. Dia has also excelled in other competitions. Her success is thanks to her hard work and the support of her coaches and family. Anurag Krishna of Grade 1 won a classical dance competition and received a trophy from the Kumari Kalai Karagam. And Fiona of Grade 2 won a roller skating championship conducted by Tamil Nadu Roller Skating Association. The H1. 12 of our students attended the Harvard Model United Nations Conference in Bangalore in August. They participated in global discussions that helped improve their public speaking and diplomatic skills. This event also allowed them to interact with other top students from across the country and gain a broader understanding of global perspectives. IELTS and SAT classes. Exel Global School introduced classes to prepare students for the IELTS and the SATs. These classes will help students develop the necessary skills to pass these examinations, which are required for university admissions in many countries. NCC. The National Cadet Corps had a successful year with the leadership of Associate NCC Officer Mr. Sherlin. The groups organized camps at Scott Christian College and Rohini College of Engineering. Students completed the A certificate examinations on March of 20th, 2024 and participated in events like the Independence Day March Past, a River Day program, and an anti-cancer rally. Scouts. A state-level patrol leaders training camp was held in Ooty and the organization received awards. Our guide captain received the Best Guide Captain Award at the Thinking Day Rally at Grace College in Tiruthuvapuram, presented by the Honorable Minister of School Education, Anbal Mahesh Poyamali. Other group members visited homes for the elderly and physically challenged. 78 JRC students participated in the Geneva Day Rally at CSI Hack School. Events and celebrations. The year of 2024 has been a remarkable one for Exel Global School, filled with creativity, learning, and celebrations. Our students, staff, and community came together to participate in a variety of events that fostered growth, expression, and joy. Doctors' Day was celebrated on July 1st with great enthusiasm. Dr. R. Abhinaya was the chief guest, giving an inspiring speech. She talked about the importance of medical profession and the role doctors play in society. Her words motivated students to work towards a better future. On Emoji Day, on the 18th of July, kindergarten students showed off their creativity with art and craft activities. This event celebrated the playful nature of emojis and encouraged students to express themselves in fun and interactive ways. A successful fancy dress competition was held on the 27th of July for students from kindergarten to grade 3. Teachers and students participated with kids wearing many different costumes to show off their creativity. On the Independence Day, students from kindergarten to grade 12 participated in patriotic programs. The teachers and students worked hard to make it a successful event that honored the country's independence and history. Traditional Day on the 23rd of August was a celebration of culture and heritage. Students shared traditional items, foods, and participated in Mehendi application. Teachers' Day was celebrated school-wide with gratitude and respect for our dedicated teachers. The event served as a reminder of the significant role that teachers play in shaping the future of our students. It was an emotional and inspiring day, filled with admiration for our educators. On September 12th, students came to celebrate Onam, the harvest festival of Kerala. They wore colorful clothes and enjoyed traditional activities, food, and performances. The event was lively and showed the joy and unity of the occasion. The Talent Fest was a 3-day extravaganza that showcased the diverse talents of our students from kindergarten to A-level. The competition included a wide range of events like dough modeling, storytelling with properties, rhymes recitation, collage making, puppet making, elocution, drawing and coloring, self-grooming contests, memory contests, word power challenges, origami, cursive writing, jewelry making, Sudoku, and turncoat. The fest was an overwhelming success, highlighting the creativity, skill, and enthusiasm of our students. It provided them with a platform to display their talents in a supportive and encouraging environment. Children's Day of 14th of November was a joyous occasion celebrated by all our students. The day was filled with fun activities, performances, and special treats for the children. The school celebrated Paper Bag Day with enthusiasm. Students made paper bags from recycled materials to reduce plastic usage and promote sustainable practices. The bags were used for various school activities showing their practicality and environmental benefits. The school celebrated National Space Day with enthusiasm. Dr. Tessie Thomas, known as the Missile Woman of India, visited and inspired the audience with her achievements and vision. The Dashari Teachers Workshop, run by Resourcio, taught educators new way to teach. The workshop lasted 4 days and covered topics like modern teaching methods, using technology, and using creativity in the classroom. Experts shared practical advice to help our teachers improve their skills. The school organized career counseling sessions to help students make informed career choices. Experienced counselors and industry experts like Mr. Rajat Karunakaran and Captain Santosh Kumar led interactive sessions, sharing insights on various career fields and answering students' questions about education, exams, and career trends. A parent counseling session titled Growing with Love, Nurturing Resilience and Wellbeing in Tiny Hearts, presided by Professor Dr. P. Rajan, was held to help parents teach their young children emotional strength and mental well-being. The parents actively participated and received practical advice to promote their child's emotional growth and happiness. The achievements and activities of this year reflect the dedication, hard work, and enthusiasm of our students and staff. From academic excellence to extracurricular accomplishments, our institution has consistently provided opportunities for growth and holistic development. As we conclude this year, we remain committed to fostering values and nurturing future leaders. We thank you and are grateful to all the students, teachers, parents, and grandparents to being a part of the Exel Global School family. Thank you all.